Hey everyone, this is Chinmay back again, and in this video I'm going to build a distributed Redis PubSub server using Java and Spring Boot. So this is going to be a simple but robust implementation using Redis, Java, Spring Boot WebSockets, where we will actually we will be using Redis PubSub basically. I mean a real Redis PubSub to distribute our messages over the like more than one instances of a Java Spring Boot server. So this is not going to be a very simple application, and as of when I'm recording this video, most probably you won't be able to find this type of video or content on YouTube related to Spring Boot, Java, and Redis Pub Sub. I also created a front end for this, but as this is not a front end development video, so I'm not going to code that front end in video, but I will be providing you the front end code as well, which you can use to test it. And when I will be testing this after the completion, I'll be showing you the front end code. But yeah, basically I won't be writing front end code video. Because I mainly create only backend videos, and this video is basically a small demonstration or a part of my full Java Spring Boot microservices bootcamp course, which is going to start from the 1st of December. So this is just a part of my Java course, in which basically I will be helping you to build a complete microservice backend using Java, and based on that I will be helping you to build your profile and your resume so you can apply for the job, and I am going to give you 100% job assistance and most probably 100% a job placement guarantee if you will follow along the course honestly, and if you will be finish the course successfully, I will be helping you to get a job in India or in Japan. I am right now in Japan and I work for a Japanese bank here, so I can help you to get a job in a Japanese company, or I can help you to pass the interview in a Japanese company, because I have done that many times, so I know how to do that. So let's start coding. Let's make it configurable. So web MVC configurer. We are just setting a course so we can use our front end. Let's stay at mapping, and then we need allowed origins. And it will be HTTP localhost. It should be 3000, not this. And allowed methods, I think, which for now we are putting all the methods, and allowed headers, all the headers for now, and allow credential true. Okay, so our course config is done. Now let's move to the Redis config. Okay, so here again Redis config, make it configuration file, so Spring can let Spring know that this is a configuration file, and Spring need to manage it, and also tell Spring that this is a bean, so Spring can do the stuff for us. Redis, and here we need a message. Yeah, Redis message listener. Here we do a connection factory, which is a Redis connection factory, and here we do a here we do Redis message not listener, it's a subscriber, which basically need to subscribe, and then Redis message listener container. it is giving an error. Redis message subscriber, Redis message subscriber, Redis message subscriber. What happened? Okay, understood. Just need to create a service for this. So while container, Redis message listener container dot set connection factory, then container dot add message listener that provide the Redis message subscriber and provide the pattern topic as well, like for which topic we want a Redis to listen and broadcast for. Notification pattern topic. Okay, written container, and here we create another bean. Redis template, connection factory, Redis connection factory, Redis template, string, and any string is the value and any is the any type of data basically. And a string is for like the key, so string value pair. Here we have template dot factory, true. Then here we have template dot key serializer, string ready serializer. Then we have template or value serializer, Jackson to JSON ready serializer, value serializer. We need to do Jackson to JSON ready serializer, and we provide any class for Java. Yeah, that's directly. That's correct. Then return template. Okay. So here, if we now write the Redis service, which is this Redis message subscriber, So create this service now. Service, okay. Then Redis, then private well Redis, private well. You can say messaging template, and there should be a simple message template. It should have a simple messaging template. Simple messaging template. We should message listener. I think we have, wait, I think we are missing something as a dependency. We have starter data Redis, and no, we are not missing library. Wait, come here. Try to import dot spring framework dot messaging dot simp dot simple messaging template. Class Redis message subscriber, private well messaging template, simple messaging template. Okay, fine. All right, fine. On message, when it comes to message, we say org.springframework.data.redis.connection.message. You can directly import it, but I like to import it this way, and it should be a byte array. having array of byte. Well, of notification for meter, yeah, notification, and that should be message. Message dot body. Then we can say messaging template or convert and send notification to a destination, and we have to add the destination as well. The destination would be topic notification. This is like we are broadcasting it to the Redis. Broadcast to all, we are broadcasting to all connected clients or client connected WebSocket service. Oh, clients. Okay, so if we go to what do you mean? Wait, we just having in typo. Where we are having an error. Alright, fun. Okay, sometimes we have such problems. And the error is implement members, yes please. And message could not database. We have Redis config. We need for this here. Okay, so this is solved, and when we come here, this is, we just copy this argument here and paste it here. We need to get this notification model first, so we can get rid of that error. And it should be data class, not just class. Realtime span stenographies. A set of WebSocket setup. Okay, to do WebSocket configuration, we need to configuration and we need enable WebSocket message broker. WebSocket message broker. Then if we implement WebSocket message configurer, override for register stop endpoints, but before that we need to override fun configure message broker. Yeah, configure message broker. Here we need registry message broker registry, and here we need to write registry dot enable simple broker to the topic, and registry site application destination prefixes app. And this is, we are doing registry endpoint for our WebSocket connection, and after that we are adding like for fallback support endpoint ws endpoint WebSocket, register endpoint set always allow. Set allowed origin patterns. The pattern is all. Here is c.endpoint add endpoint, and endpoint ws set allowed origins should be HTTP localhost 3000. Then we have set allowed origin patterns, allowed origin patterns as all. Reactjs. Okay, fine. So register stop and endpoints. This is to listen for the connection. This is to send the. This is like server to client. This is client server to client. This is client to client server basically. So this is your WebSocket setup. So we configured the course. We configured the Redis. Then we have configured the WebSockets. Now let's write our controller. So for controller, it is a REST controller and request mapping to the notification and API. Then we need to we are not implementing anything. We need to write private Redis template string line, because we need to publish message from here to Redis, and then Redis will broadcast that to other services. So basically right now we are trying a manual message publishing just for the testing purpose. So the testing purpose, we are just sending message by ourselves using Postman most probably. So request body message string, and then it should return an string. Then we have Redis template dot convert and send to the channel name notification message, because we are building a distributed notification server. Message published, and the message is message. We write one more route just to check that if our service is running or not. So fun test service is running on port. Then we say system dot get env, and that is server port. Then if putting in line if else 8080. Okay, so our controller is done. Notification under, and this is also done. Messaging, I think we have a spelling mistake, so it should be messaging. Yeah, so we have a Redis message we have a Redis message subscriber as a service. It's just like broadcast to all connected WebSocket clients as soon as our Redis get a message from here. So here a Redis will get a message, and from here Redis will subscribe, broadcast that message to all the services who subscribed for the notification channel. Okay, I mean that's how it works. And yeah, if that is fine, then we can create our application or file, and I won't be writing those files. I'll be just like providing you directly the docker.compose and docker.yml and docker file, so you can use it directly. I mean, because this video is not about like how to set a Docker, but you can follow along, or you can copy the code just to set up or Dockerize your application as well. Okay, this is your application.yml. Let's create a docker.compose file. And then create a Docker file, and let me provide the code for that. So this is the code for Docker compose, and we have a typo here, so let's rename it Docker file. If you go to a Docker file, and you just need to do this, because to make a Docker file easy, we'll be creating the jar file bar by ourselves. So in setting.gradle, Redis distributor service on YouTube. So we'll copy this, and we will come here, and we will replace it. This way. Okay, so now if we try to run a service should be running. If I am not using my Docker already, let me check for that. Okay, so I think everything is set up here. Let's try to run this. First, what we do, Gradle build our application if we don't have any error. Let's see. Okay, we have an error. Why? Wait, we don't have an error. Just remove the test file because build includes running your test as well. Okay, build successful. You do docker compose up build and it should work accordingly. Okay, we have an error. Why? We are not setting nginx.conf. Wait. File. We should have nginx. Nginx.conf. Nginx.conf. Okay, already exists. Wait. Where is the file now? In directory. No. Deleted. nginx.conf and just provide code for this file also. This is our load balancer. Okay. Build. Let's try if it will work this time. Okay, this is working this time. Let's see if our service is working or not. So to do that, we need to run our browser. What we can do? We can make a HTTP request from here. Localhost and 0.0 API. And regular service is running on port 80. If you will keep making the request randomly, it will give you like random services. Like your load balancer is working because sometimes you are getting 8081 and sometimes you are getting 8082. Okay, so our load balancer is working perfectly fine. Okay, so now let's do one thing. I have running my browser already, which we can use to test this. Okay, so let me set up that. Wait. This is one tab and we can make one more tab. This way. I'm just setting up Windows to test. Okay, so you just need to like refresh this. Okay, because server is not after like front end is not running, so first let's run the front end. This distributed no window. Okay, so basically this is the front end. So if you run this, npm run dev, and then if you push it somewhere else and if you refresh browser, it should automatically it should get up automatically. So for now, ignore this hydration error. Just like don't because our target or our motive is not to make like front end. We just trying to build some backend. Oh, so right now this is like connected. If you refresh, you see like waiting time, and then it's get connected. And now if I'm using, if I use Postman to push a message to the Redis, it will broadcast to all the services, and all the services will broadcast that to the connected WebSocket clients. So here message from Redis PubSub. This is the publish like API notification publish route in our controller. If you do this, you should not found. Wait, I think we just need to check the router name. I think it cannot be not found. API notification and post publish. API notifications. This notification. Okay, understood. So now get this one, and get this one, and not okay. Message from Redis PubSub. Oh, we are not getting message. Wait, what is the problem? Let's check. It's notification. I think the only problem we are having here is wait. I mean, there has to be some like typing mistakes. I know. Okay. The typing mistakes like we made it notification, not notifications, and in our front end it's notifications, not notification. So that is the error. So let me fix it if I can. Not in the hook. Notification. Loading state. Okay, not here. Loading state client only. Okay, WebSocket service. Yeah, okay, it's notification, not notifications. Okay, it should work now, I think. Wait. Ignore the hydration error for now, because I don't have any interest to solve hydration error for now. Okay, so now if we try to serve a message, yeah, we should get message in real time. So basically now our Redis PubSub is distributing the, I mean our Nginx is distributing the load to instances of Java of Kotlin Springboot server, and then Redis, and those two instances are subscribed to notification channel via a Redis PubSub, and a Redis PubSub is working properly fine because it is broadcasting the message to the services, and the services broadcasting the message further to the connected clients. So like for example, we can have one more client here. If we want, like if we can. Okay, let me open Safari. And in Safari it is already connected because I was testing it. So first make it visible. Yeah, so it is connected, and if I refresh, it is connected. And if I push a new message like a new message from Redis PubSub, and so all the like connected clients should get that message from Redis PubSub. So I will put the front end code, the GitHub repo as well in the description link, so you can take it and use it. So my main motive was to teach you how to make a Java or Kotlin Springboot distributed server using Redis PubSub to broadcast notification to all the connected clients in real time using WebSockets via like Springboot server instances using a load balancer. So we cut a lot of things here, like we used okay, so we used here Redis, PubSub, Docker, Springboot, WebSocket, and Kotlin. Okay, and if you need the diagram for this, I will paste the link of that as well in the description. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, or see you in my Java course.